What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Nikelab coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Nikelab Essential Cropped Pants. Let's get into it. Now, I purchased this piece in an XL. I also have a black colorway, and I got those in a double XL. I'm personally not a big fan of the cropped. You know, it's a little high for me personally. I like more of like a jogger style where it's around your ankles. This is just a little too high, but these are super high quality. And they retail for around $220 in 2016. They have a Riri zipper right around here. They actually have a couple Riri zippers. And then you have like that nice little silver, which looks super dope. And you also have the sideways swoosh, which they did more on like older Nikelab pieces. And also on your adjustable waist, you get metal tips, which looks super good. They've actually held up pretty good because I've worn these a couple times and they're not really faded or anything. But at $220, I kind of expected these would last a while. As you go to the back and get that for you. They have another Riri zipper, another back pocket. Like I've said in a lot of videos, I'm not really a fan of back pockets. I don't really use them, but it's nice to say add them. You can see it also has the adjustable waist, and it's like a pretty nice elastic band. I can show you guys. That looks super good. These are kind of like a navy blue, I would say. I don't know exactly how to describe the blue, but I'd say it's more geared towards like a navy blue. And as you guys look on the inside too, you're gonna be able to see that it has a sideways swoosh Nikelab tag, which is standard with all Nikelab products. As this is an older Nike piece, you should be able to find this cheaper. I'll drop the product number for you guys below. At $220, these are definitely not worth it, but if you can find this for like 40, 50 bucks and you don't mind that they're cropped a little bit above like your shin, then these are definitely for you because these are a super high quality pair of pants. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be posting a ton of content on Nikelab and Nike Tech. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.